Good evening, friends. Let us continue for online coaching for 10th Standard State Examination 2020. So here's the problem. It reads, the sum of 6 terms of AP is 90. Sum of first 2 terms is diminished by 32 with sum of last 2 terms of AP. Find the 6 terms. So it says the sum of 6 terms is 90. Then given data, that is S6 is equal to 90. And they say, understand the question properly, the sum of first 2 terms diminished by 32 with sum of last 2 terms. That means if I add first 2 terms, so what are the first 2 terms? A1 plus A2. And that will be 32 less with sum of last 2 terms. So how many terms are there? They already given that there are 6 terms. So the last 2 terms will be, what are those last 2 terms? 6 and 5th term. The 6th term and 5th term. So what is the less between these 2 terms? That is 32. That means if I add 32 to the first and second term, that will be equivalent to 6th and 5th term. So using these 2 data, we have to find the 6 terms. So all we need is you have to find A and D. So obviously we'll get 2 equations from the given data. So solve these 2 equations, we are able to solve the problem again. So first we know Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have given is S6. So 6 by 2, that is n is 6. 2a plus n is 6 minus 1 into d, which is equivalent to 90. I'm taking entire 6 by 2 the other side, so it becomes reciprocal, that is 2a plus 5d will be equivalent to 90 into 2 divided by 6. So I can cancel it. 3 2s are 3, 30s are 2 2 cancel, then 2a plus 5d will be equivalent to 30. So I got the first equation. The second equation, so the given data, that is 1 and 2 I got. This is the first equation 1, and from the first equation, the second equation a1 plus a2 plus 32 is equal to a6 plus a5. So a1 is nothing but a only, a2 is nothing but a plus d plus 32 will be equivalent to a6 is a plus 5d plus a5 is a plus 4d. You know how it is. So we are using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Since 2 minus 1 is 1 into d, and 6 minus 1 is 5, so 5d. 5 minus 1 is 4, so 4d. So I get here 2a plus d plus 32 is equal to 2a plus 90. So I'm sending everything to the other side. So that is, I'm carrying back all the RHS side to the LHS. So 2a plus d plus 32 minus 2a minus 9d is equal to 0. 2a and 2a get cancelled. So it is minus 8d. Minus 9 and d is minus 8d is equal to minus 32. So I'm shifting 32 to the other side. So this minus and minus get cancelled. 8 1s are 8 4s are. So d becomes 4. D becomes 4. Now I'll substitute d is equal to 4 in equation 1 so that I get a. So substitute d is equal to 4 in equation 1. So I get 2a plus 5 into 4 is equal to 30. 2a plus 20 is equal to 30. 2a is equal to 30 minus 20. So I am carrying this 20 to the RHS side. So 2a will be equivalent to 10. A will be equivalent to 2 by 10, that is 5. So a is equal to 5. So 6 terms are, therefore the 6 terms are 5. Next term is 9. Oh, so I am adding 4 to the previous term. So AP says is nothing but each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the previous term except the first term. So first term is 4. I'm adding 4 to the first term, it becomes 9. I'm adding 4 to the 9, so it becomes 13. Then 13, I'm adding 4, it becomes 17. So it becomes 21. So it becomes 25. So therefore, the 6 terms are 5, 9, 13, 17, 21 and 25. Thank you.